Hey, so today on Tuesday Tip, wanted to talk to you about reclaimed landscape products. So we get it all the time where clients have called us and they want us to re-renovate their landscape, which is the kind of the project we're working on here. And they say, hey, look, I got all this material, what can we do with it? As you can see in front of me, this huge pile of flagstone. This big pile of flagstone, we're going to be reusing it to redo this outdoor patio right here that we're working on. So we run across that lots of times. I look at it from an expense standpoint. When I'm looking at somebody's yard or designing something and working with our design team, I'm wanting to make sure that the product that we're giving you is top notch, but I'm also trying to make sure that we're trying to save you as much money as possible. We really don't want to get ourselves in a situation to where we're throwing away the material, so we look at how we can reuse that material. We can design it, we can set it up, we can lay it out. And so this is one of those cases where we have a huge pile of flagstone and we're reworking it to be able to use for this project. So if you have landscape products, you got stuff out there you got, we can definitely reuse some of it and use it for your landscape.